Today we're taking apart a Model D viewmaster viewer so we can get to the lenses and clean them. I'll show you how. There's 4 screws, we take them out. Right. This one. We have these. We have this. There's a spring here. It's attached here. It's good to know. So you take this off. There's the little spring. That's it. So here's the focusing mechanism. You see? You can see it from the inside. This little shaft is held by these 2 tiny things. We first take those out. Now we need to loosen these 2 screws. Right. Get that. Now you can take out the whole lens assembly. That's it. You get this. The shaft stays in place. Right. That's it. Now you have this. The lenses are held by 2 pieces of metal, pushing them inside. So, if you want to take the lens parts out, you need to take out those metal pieces. You just put a screwdriver under there and they pop out. That's it. Now you can simply push the lenses out. So there are two lenses in this, front and back. You do that with the other part also. There you go. Lenses out. Now you want to take the lenses out of here to clean them from the outside and the inside. That's the most tricky part, because you can easily chip the lenses. Like this one, I've taken them out before and you can see they're already a bit damaged, but when you put them back, this goes on top like this, so you put them in so you don't see any chips. Of course, if you damage the lens too much, there's no saving it. You can't put it back, so be careful. There's a damage here, so I would put them in like that. So this lens is better. So if you wanted to take them out, take a tiny screwdriver and just wiggle it out carefully. You go around, push it up a little, and then after a few times it simply pops out. You need a small screwdriver for this. There it is. Now you can clean it. The other one you simply push out from the inside. So now they're both out. One thing to remember is these are exactly the same. Just make sure the flat side is on the outside. So on the back, flat side out. On the front, flat side out. Then you're always good. You do the same with the other lens, and then you can start cleaning. I'll show you that in another video. For now we've taken it apart, so the next challenge is cleaning and putting it back together. Make sure visit the website. We also sell Model D viewers, and they're already cleaned and have a nice light LED bulb, and we sell lots of other 3D stuff.